Alright, I'm just going to do a quick video on changing the battery in your Nissan Key FOB. This is for a 2012 Pathfinder, but I'm sure they use it in various other models as well. To do this, you just need your key fob. Obviously, it takes an Energizer, or really any brand, but a 2025 is what's important. Lithium battery, and I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver. Now there's no screws to take out, but you do need the flathead to sort of pop it in half. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove the key portion. Once the key's out, I'm just going to take the flathead screwdriver, and you can see there's a seam between the two halves of the key. Like I said, there's no screw. Obviously be careful not to stab yourself in the hand. And then I'm just going to work the flathead screwdriver around the key fob just like that. And you're just going to want to take note of the orientation of that battery. So obviously the new battery is going to go in the same orientation, just like that. Pop the old battery out. Replace it with the new battery. Everything just clips back together. Reinsert your key. I could hear it honking out on the street. So much better. Previously, when I was trying to use this, it wouldn't even let me start the car because it's one of those smart keys, so it needs the battery to even turn the vehicle on. Anyway, thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.